When it comes to creating a comfortable living space in your Pasadena home, one of the most important factors to consider is airflow. Proper ventilation not only helps regulate temperature but also improves indoor air quality, making your home a healthier and more enjoyable place to live. One of the best ways to enhance ventilation and airflow in your home is by installing awning windows. These versatile windows are designed to offer optimal airflow while keeping the elements at bay. Here's how awning windows can improve ventilation and airflow in your Pasadena home. Unique design for efficient ventilation. Awning windows are hinged at the top and open outward from the bottom, which is a unique design that sets them apart from traditional windows. This design allows for better control over the airflow entering your home, even when it's raining or windy outside. Unlike standard windows that open horizontally or vertically, awning windows create a natural barrier between your interior space and the outside environment. Because the window opens outward, air can enter your home without allowing rain or debris to make its way inside. This makes awning windows ideal for areas that are frequently exposed to the elements, like bathrooms, kitchens, or basement windows. In Pasadena, where the weather can fluctuate throughout the year, the ability to open windows for ventilation, even during light rain, is a huge benefit. Maximizing natural ventilation is crucial in maintaining a healthy and comfortable indoor environment, and awning windows are designed to maximize natural ventilation. When you open an awning window, it allows fresh air to flow into the room, while the angled position helps to push warm, stale air out. This natural flow of air helps to keep your home's temperature consistent, reducing the need for artificial cooling or heating. In Pasadena, where summers can be warm and dry, installing awning windows can allow you to enjoy fresh outdoor air while keeping the interior cool. By opening multiple windows across different rooms, you can create a cross breeze that enhances ventilation, ensuring that each room receives adequate airflow. This makes awning windows an excellent choice for homes that need effective cooling without relying on air conditioning. Improved indoor air quality. Awning windows can play a key role in improving the indoor air quality of your home by allowing fresh air to circulate. Poor indoor air quality can be caused by a buildup of moisture, allergens, and other pollutants. Stale air can contribute to discomfort, health issues, and an overall stuffy atmosphere. By installing awning windows, you ensure that your home remains fresh and well ventilated, which can help prevent mold growth, reduce allergens, and provide a healthier environment for your family. In Pasadena, where pollen and dust can sometimes be a concern, awning windows help maintain good air quality by encouraging the flow of fresh outdoor air into your home while keeping pollutants out. The angle at which awning windows open allows for better control over what enters the room, helping you keep your home's air cleaner and more breathable. Versatility and ease of use. One of the best features of awning windows is their versatility. They can be installed in various locations throughout your home, including areas where other window types may not be suitable. For example, because awning windows open outward from the top, they are an excellent choice for spaces with limited wall space or areas that need ventilation but also require protection from rain, such as basements or bathrooms. Moreover, awning windows are easy to operate. With a simple crank handle, you can easily open or close them, which provides convenience when adjusting the airflow in a room. This ease of use is particularly beneficial for hard-to-reach areas, like over kitchen sinks or in higher-up spaces, where traditional windows might be difficult to open or close regularly. Energy efficiency benefits. In addition to improving ventilation, awning windows can help with your home's overall energy efficiency. By providing more natural ventilation, they reduce the need for artificial cooling systems like fans or air conditioning. This means lower energy consumption and reduced utility bills, especially in warmer months. Furthermore, many awning windows come with energy-efficient glazing options that help minimize heat loss or gain, making your home more temperature stable. With energy-efficient features like double glazing, low-E coatings, and insulated frames, awning windows can help your home stay cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter, improving energy efficiency and lowering your energy costs. Aesthetic appeal and increased value. Beyond their functional benefits, awning windows can also enhance the aesthetic appeal of your Pasadena home. Their sleek, modern design adds sophistication to any room, whether you're upgrading a kitchen, living room, or bedroom. The ability to customize the window's size and placement ensures that awning windows can be a seamless addition to the design of your home, complementing both modern and traditional architectural styles. Additionally, installing energy-efficient and well-designed windows like awning windows can increase the overall value of your home. Potential buyers often appreciate homes with good ventilation and energy-efficient features, making awning windows a valuable investment for homeowners looking to increase property value. Weather-resistant. Pasadena experiences a range of weather conditions, from sunny days to rainy periods. One of the standout features of awning windows is their ability to function even during light rain. Because of their outward opening design, the window remains shielded from rain, allowing you to enjoy the fresh air without worrying about getting your home wet. This makes awning windows ideal for homes in climates where rainy days are frequent but homeowners still want the benefits of fresh air and natural ventilation. Conclusion. Awning windows are a fantastic option for homeowners in Pasadena looking to improve ventilation, airflow, and overall comfort. With their unique design that allows for fresh air to flow freely while keeping rain and debris outside, awning windows provide an excellent solution for better indoor air quality, increased energy efficiency, and enhanced home aesthetics. Whether you're looking to reduce your reliance on air conditioning, maintain a comfortable and healthy indoor environment, or simply enjoy better ventilation, awning windows offer a stylish and functional way to enhance your Pasadena home.